Today I've got yet another recipe which is papaya, and the recipe is khar. I'll cut the papaya into very thin slices like this. I've taken onion, garlic, ginger, green chili, and this is the papaya. We'll marinate the fish with salt and turmeric, and then we'll fry it in a fry pan with oil until this is golden brown and well cooked both the side. This is done. Now we'll remove it. And after this, we'll be doing the tempering of this khar. I have taken red chili whole, taken garam masala two piece each, and one piece of cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, everything, and cumin seed, 1/3 teaspoon, and bay leaf. And put garlic and saute it till it's become golden in color. After this, we will put chopped onion. This chopped onion has to be fried till it becomes well cooked and golden in color. You have to you have to ensure that you don't put water in this recipe whatsoever till the last. We will cover it and we'll saute it again. Now we'll put the sliced papaya and cover it. This cooking procedure will take 25 minutes of its cooking time. I've added salt. I've added green chili and saute it along. I'll check occasionally that this is cooked or not. This khar is basically a recipe where you don't find any flavor of papaya, and this flavor of the papaya is enhanced by the use of this particular item, which is the secret ingredient of this recipe. I've added the fish head and little ginger and saute it along with the papaya. The secret ingredient is not yet added. This is the secret ingredient, which is cooking soda, which is half teaspoon of cooking soda, and this will make the total structure of papaya, and this enhances the flavor of this recipe, and nobody can identify this is papaya. That is a bet you can always do with the person who are eating. And after making this recipe, please come back and give your comment. We'll be waiting for your comment. And this is almost done. We are doing the garnish with coriander chop and roasted cumin powder. We'll be doing this presentation in a china plate. Please like, share, subscribe with your friends and family, and we'll come with another authentic recipe. Bye bye for now.